The story begins with Alex, an overworked project manager at a mid-sized tech company. Juggling multiple contracts and tight deadlines, Alex consistently found himself losing precious time to cumbersome PDF management tasks. Every time he turned around, there was another document to convert, another file to merge, or a report to compress. It seemed like a never-ending cycle. One day, while navigating the web in search of a better solution, Alex stumbled upon FreeToolsPDF.cloud. Say goodbye to complicated PDF problems, the site promised. It was an all-in-one hub for PDF conversions, mergers, compressions, and editing, all done swiftly, efficiently, and crucially without cost. Intrigued and a bit skeptical, Alex decided to give it a whirl. Within seconds of using the platform, he realized this was what he'd been searching for. The intuitive interface allowed him to drag and drop files into the cloud, where they were seamlessly converted or merged within seconds. Reports that used to take hours to adjust were now transformed in minutes, freeing him to focus on more critical project management tasks. FreeToolsPDF.cloud became Alex's secret weapon. As the weeks went by, his productivity soared. The free aspect of the platform meant he could allocate the department's budget to other vital resources, amplifying the team's efficiency as well. His boss, noticing the positive change, approached Alex to understand the reason behind his newfound productivity. Alex was more than willing to share the secret he had discovered, believing that this tool could revolutionize the way documents were handled across the company. Word quickly spread in the office about FreeToolsPDF.cloud, and soon, it was being used by everyone from the human resources department to the accounting team. The workflow efficiency skyrocketed, and the staff felt less bogged down by administrative tasks. The story of FreeToolsPDF.cloud doesn't just end with one company. More and more professionals started embracing the platform's capabilities, enjoying the freedom from frustrating PDF dealings and relishing more time for what truly mattered, their core responsibilities. In this digital age, where time is money and efficiency is key, FreeToolsPDF.cloud emerged as an indispensable ally in the Office toolkit, championing simplicity and speed in the world of document management. Alex and his team experienced firsthand the marvel of streamlined workflows, proving that innovation often lies in the tools we choose.